name's Rose and this is my back garden. Welcome to episode 2 of things you can do in your back garden while the lockdown goes on. Yesterday we were looking at things you could plant. Today we are going to look at things you can repair. Sometimes you have a look around your garden and you see some things that are not at their best anymore. We have this old bicycle which Grandma gave Mummy years ago. As you can see, it's going rusty and the paint is peeling off. We are going to do this up today. Luckily, we had some hammerite, which we had for another project. You can put it straight onto rust, and it's good for outdoors and metal. Let's get started. As there's a colour difference, we've got to paint the whole thing white, not cream, as this was originally cream. This is really fun. I'm nearly done. Doesn't it look better now that we've painted it? You can't see the rust anymore. Meanwhile, we have repotted a primrose from Little Farmer's Farm. It looks very lovely. We're going to put it in.
What do you think?
It looks so good.
Very pretty.
One more thing you can do is feed the birds. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye.